Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mathematecher channel for another video about numeral systems. Let's suppose that, in base y we have the number that is written as 132, which is equal to the sum of the numbers 5, 3, and 4, 6. We would like at first to find the value of y, and then calculate the product for 6 multiplied by 3, 2 in the base y. So, let's start by finding the value of y. For this, we will be solving the equation 132 equals 5, 3 plus 4, 6 in base y such that y is strictly greater than 6, as 6 is the symbol of the highest value in these scriptures. This means that 1 multiplied by y to the power of 2 plus 3 multiplied by y to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by y to the power of 0 equals 5 multiplied by y to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by y to the power of 0 plus 4 multiplied by y to the power of 1 plus 6 multiplied by y to the power of 0, such that y is strictly greater than 6. So we would have y squared minus 6y minus 7 equals 0 and y strictly greater than 6. Therefore, when solving this second-degree equation, we find for y the values 7 and minus 1, but as y must be strictly greater than 6, we deduce that y equals 7. Let's now calculate the product for 6 multiplied by 3, 2 in the base y. As we found that y equals 7, we will be calculating the product for 6 multiplied by 3, 2 in the base 7. So we have for 6 multiplied by 3, 2. The multiplication of the number 2 by 6 gives a number that is written in base 10 as 12, which means that it is written as 1, 5 in base 7. So we write 5 as a result of this first operation, and we keep the digit 1 to add it for the next operation. Then, the multiplication of 2 by 4 gives a number that is written as 8 in base 10, which is written in base 7 as 1, 1. But when we add the digit 1 that we kept from the previous operation, we would have the number that is written in base 7 as 1, 2. So we write 1, 2. Now, when multiplying 6 and 4 by 3, we will be writing the results starting from the first power of 7, so we will put a point as a 0 value under the digit 5, which is multiplied by the 0 power of 7. So, the multiplication of 3 by 6 gives a number that is written in base 10 as 18, which means that it is written in base 7 as 2, 4. So, we write the digit 4 under the digit 2 of the previous operation as they're both multiplied by 7 to the power of 1, and we keep the digit 2 to add it for the next operation. Now, the multiplication of 3 by 4 gives a number that is written in base 10 as 12, which means that it is written in base 7 as 1, 5. But when we add the digit 2 to 1, 5, in the base 7, we find a number which is written as 2, 0. So we write 2, 0. Now, by adding the number we found in our first operations to the number we found in our second operations, we find the number that is written in base 7 as 2, 1, 6, 5. And this is the value of the product for 6 multiplied by 3, 2 when calculated in base 7. As always, thank you for watching the video. We hope you learned from it, and we invite you to support the channel by subscribing to it and to like and share the video, as this encourages us to make more of this content. See you soon.